Blessings, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man guys, this week I'm going to be trying something new. I want you guys to check it out. It's more of an ASMR-ish kind of vibe, detailing to lo-fi beats. You don't know, trying out new things guys, so I want you guys to check it out. Let me know what you think. It's more of a chill vibe guys, so you don't know, kick back, relax, enjoy the vibes. Bless. Yeah man guys, the Ferrari is complete. Take a look. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Make sure to hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. If you don't know, subscribe to the channel. It's only about good vibes over here, you see me? So you don't know, Clean Car Chris. Bless.